I would never say never to any genre of music. I think as a musician, the most important thing is to be flexible, open-minded, and music is magical in all its forms. And everything else is just really subjective, like whether you like it or not. So no, I wouldn't say no to anything. There's many such ones, and I think the one that I've never been able to stand, which was in fashion when I was in, it wasn't in fashion then, but a lot of people did it, and then it became a fashion thing, was like socks with sandals and socks with high heels, and I just can't do it. Probably playing cards. I've never played cards. I've never liked it. I don't know. It's just a thing. My granddad told me. My tata said don't play cards, and I never touched it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Probably based on Ramayana and
I have no
Mahabharata.
idea. He just said it to me, and I never touched cards or never gambled, no poker, nothing.
Okay,
So,
cool.
yeah. But I have a lot of friends who do it as a hobby.
It's a good
Yeah,
habit.
yeah.
So,
I mean, it's not great to gamble.
yeah, it's
Just to
not.
clarify. I think too much power is a superpower, and I don't think too much power should ever be concentrated in one place. So, yeah. But if you're speaking in terms of me, a superpower I really don't want to have is knowing everything. Because I think the joy is to not know some things, and God has plans to protect us in ways, you know.
Ignorance is
Yeah,
bliss.
yeah, yeah. A beauty heart. Oh, you know what I can't? I tried it once and it's the worst thing ever for you is lash extensions. Yeah, I never want to try it again.
Okay.
I'm not, I mean, just like music, I just,
You would not say
yeah,
no to
no.
anything. Okay, that's true.
I saw someone do this in school and I thought it was really bizarre when I was a kid, and I still haven't gotten out of my head, was idli and jam.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah, you like it?
No, I
It's
get
weird,
it.
right?
I get it.
Idli and
disgusting,
ketchup,
get
I
it.
was like, yeah, I can work with that. But idli and
It's-
jam was just
Idli and ketchup, I think it's kind of like thakali chutney. But
correct, exactly.
Jam, no.
No.
Yeah. It's like dosa and Nutella.
Yeah, that too. Taking themselves too seriously.
Okay.
We all fall prey to it, celebrity or not. Yeah.
Okay.
There are many situations where I don't want to. I think especially in relationship, friendship, and certain rules of professionalism. Yeah.
Oh.
I think the best advice is like don't go around giving unsolicited advice. Yeah. Yeah.
So stay away from that.
So if
entire-
someone asks you something and it's like really value addition, sure, but otherwise, don't be the advisor.
Oh.
I mean, wherever I've lived, I've loved. And I think till you live in a city, you can't say no, that's definite. And I haven't had that experience yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
A city you would never live in again. You would stay away from that.
No, nothing like that.
Okay.
Be a really twisted predator or killer. Like that is so evil that they
Like
shouldn't have
Jeffrey
existed.
Dahmer.
Yeah, actually, I would
that.
not want to play a Jeffrey Dahmer because
Okay.
I watch a lot of crime stuff and I watch a lot of serial killer stuff, but I always have a problem when it starts glorifying their acts. You know, when you make it so cool
Not
that
to romanticize
yeah,
stuff
exactly,
like
not
that.
to yeah.
Okay.
Any festival. there's a lot of pressure and you have to dress up and meet everyone, and then you end up eating more than you plan. So I enjoy it while it happens, but overall I wouldn't be too upset missing.
So you like chilling at home?
Yeah,
or
I
anywhere?
like
Okay,
being
not the
more like
pressure.
low key.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank
for
you.
your